Enjoy learning, meet interesting new people, and connect with a learning community in the Berkshires and beyond with OLLI at Berkshire Community College. OLLI at BCC offers over 200 terrific programs and classes a year, online and in person, designed especially by and for people 50 years old and better. But we are open to everyone. Many of our programs are open to the public. However, OLLI members also have access to programs like 5 terms of thought-provoking courses in literature, science, politics, history, the arts, and more, online and throughout the region. Hikes and meetups pop up regularly on our calendar and are usually free or at a discount. We offer domestic and international travel programs. Our shared interest groups are an opportunity to gather for discussion or activities in a wide variety of subjects, from skiing and crochet to reading groups, foreign films, French language, and more. You can even start your own. The annual OLLI Art Show is open for submissions from all OLLI members who paint, photograph, sculpt, draw, and more. The show is free and open to the public. The OLLI Players, where members have a chance to take the stage and spread their theatrical wings. Members can also apply to be a mentor to a Berkshire Community College student or help out with a program or event connecting with BCC students. OLLI is a member-driven organization, and you can volunteer in many meaningful ways. We also offer member discounts for a number of programs, including the Distinguished Speaker Series, featuring faculty, authors, and experts in a wide variety of fields, online and in person. Workshops and mini courses, some of which are only open to our OLLI members, online and in person again. A variety of special events and day trips to local, regional, and cultural organizations, from the Boston Museum of Fine Arts to our annual picnic at Jacob's Pillow. OLLI members also receive early access to registration for these events. OLLI at BCC memberships are $75 per year, and we offer a generous scholarship program. Learn more at berkshireolli.org.